Okay, so what we are going to do here, actually give me some permission so that I can just show you how our code is going to just work. Means to say something like, let me show you the output first. After that, I will just show you what are the segments in the program we have installed or used. Okay, so as I run the command python main.py, let's see what we are getting. We are getting some data like current 1.071 ampere, temperature 90.1 degrees Celsius. Motor is going to be overheated and then pump stopped. We all know that in any power industry or power factories, electric motors are the most common phenomena. They are just there, and also the defect or faults associated with them is also very, very common. So phenomena like you can say, or defaults like overheating, dry run, overload, overcorrect, these are some of the defects which is commonly seen in the water pumps or motor, you can say. So this is the system which is going to just detect the things at the same time and help us to just off the pump whenever there is some fault. So this is that program which is helping us to just see. So what is this? As I just write this command python main.py, I just saw this. Now the pump is off due to the fault. Let me write issue resolved. What does that mean? Means that I have resolved the issue by sending some technician or by myself. See, issue was resolved, but again the issue came, that is current 0.32 ampere, temperature 84.4 degrees Celsius. So again we have to do like issue resolved. Actually, I have used the random function because I don't have any sensor. Because as we all know that sensor is the ground reality with the help of which we can just fetch the data from the machines. Like you can say something like vibrational sensors. See, the pump is normal, acting normally. See, the pump is operating normally. It is at 37 degrees Celsius. See, again the overload condition has been detected, and we got a message that pump is set off due to the fault, and hence we have to just do the issue resolved. So that's all. And see, we have also some data to be recorded. See here in this pump fault.log txt, we can see these are the data which has been collected. Just like in the real case scenario, we see that 17:59, that is 5:59, there was pump overload detected, and 6 o'clock in the evening we got pump overload detected, and hence stopped immediately. So let's now come to the code section. What was that? As an electrical engineer, we have to just see what are the things happening. These are the default functions: time function, random function, date time function. Because I have used random function because in the actual manner I don't have any sensor to catch or to fetch the data from the machine. After that, we have just did simulation parameters. Pump on, fault triggered, log file. These are the three simulation we have to just do. We have taken. After that, there is a defined function, or you can say user defined function. User defined function here we used. That is a log fault, read current sensor, and the third one is read temperature sensor. These are the three user defined functions. In the log fault function, you can see that with open log file, this function has the job to open this file and write the data here in the real time. The second function, that is a read current sensor. What is this doing? It is random. It is using the random function to get the normal condition, to get the normal load, dry run, and overload. We can see that the values has been taken from 0.2 to 0.4 and 4.6 to 5.5. If the values came in between this, then it will be overload condition. What is this weight? Weight is something like the prediction, or you can say the number of times it will come. 80% time our motor will be normal working, but 20% time it will be overload and dry run. After that, we have used the read temperature sensor. That again we are using the random function because we have no sensor, as I already told you. That is normal temperature and overheat condition. After that, there is a looping we did. How the looping is going to be takes place? With the help of the while true method. This is helpful for getting the things done again and again without terminating. You can see here it came, and hence I can write it issue resolved. After that, it will again start running. See. So let's come back to our code. This is if elif condition. This is if current is smaller than 0.5, then this is going to be happen. Otherwise, this happen. If temperature is greater than 80 degrees Celsius, then this is going to be happen. And at this time, time not to sleep means After fetching out all data, there is a gap of about, in between fetching all these data, there is a gap of about 3 seconds. That is time.sleep. So that's all about the program, which is used for the detection of the motor working, for its fault detection, as well as so that our motor will work properly and can be detected very, very easily with the help of a supervisor or the electrical engineer, a person who can understand these concepts very, very clearly. So that's a very, very simple simulation actually, just for the practice, you can say. But in real case, it is very, very complicated. It is just a few lines of code, but in real case, it is very, very complicated. So thank you so much. In the next video, we are going to just explore more.